The Galaxy S23 Ultra leaks are continuing unabated, but before we expose the pricing leak, let's talk about something else. EV Leaks has published pictures of the official cases that Samsung has made for the S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's color choices of Cotton Flower, Phantom Black, Botany Green, and Mystic Lilac are all clearly visible, as are the silicone covers and modified clear view cover cases for the Ultra variant. Today, a leak of the S23 Ultra box came from the Elixir KM Cell Shop, which is located in the Madagal pub. You should be aware that this source is not reliable, and we are unsure on the appearance of the S23 series boxes. However, as this is the first time we have seen a S23 Ultra box, we are making the assumption that it is accurate. The 200-megapixel camera sensor for the S23 Ultra Best on Leak will support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, as well as a new 4K video portrait mode that will be similar to the iPhone series but much better, according to ICE Universe information. The 6.8-inch 2x Dynamic AMOLED display, which will also be available, will have a QHD Plus resolution, 500 ppi, and Gorilla Glass 2 on the front. Additionally, you will have brightness that is 1750 nits, the same as what the S22 Ultra offers. Along with running Android 13 and adding One UI 5.1 on top of it, we anticipate seeing a comparable 500 mAh battery plus with a 45-watt charging speed to the S22 Ultra. Internally, it will include a unique Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that will provide 45% higher CPU and GPU performance while also using less power. Additionally, we have the Galaxy S23 Plus retail box, which has a silhouette of its own and resembles its Ultra sister identically. As soon as a hands-on photo of the handset becomes available, I'll be sure to let you know. If these hands-on photos aren't enough, we also have some more official, high-quality marketing materials for the S23 Ultra that showcase the device from several perspectives. Last but not least, there are several speculations about price increases that continue to circulate. When it comes to cost, there may not be any change in the US, and instead, it could simply remain identical to the Galaxy S23 series in certain regions, like Korea, where there might be a price increase. On February 1st, we'll get to see everything in person. So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.